been transferred the case to the special cell of the police, where a case of dacoity that has been launched with the Delhi police under section 392 and 120B of the IPC. Atul getting us more details, because Atul, the Red Fort is just not a symbol of Indian unity and integrity, but also it is a World Heritage Site. Looking at the cases of vandalism and dacoity that will now be investigated, the case has now been taken over by the special cell. Can you give us more details?
Well, definitely this decision was taken by Commissioner of Police Ashwin Srivastava that Red Fort incident will be looked after by the special cell, and the meeting is still going on in which this decision was taken yesterday, when the protesters who were in the form of the farmers had stormed Red Fort and vandalized this heritage. And later on, the FIR was registered with the local police station that falls in the jurisdictions of DCP North. But now this case has been transferred to the special cell of the Delhi police, and the special cell will, decide the future course of action, because when the meeting started this morning at 11 a.m. with Police Commissioner Ashwin Srivastava, he was serious when he came to know that the entire things were vandalized, be it the CCTV, be it the walls of Red Fort, or be it the police gypsies and the CRF personnel. And that is why he wanted that action should be taken against the persons who vandalized Red Fort, and that was why the case was transferred to a special cell, and sections of dacoity was added, sections 120B, which is criminal conspiracy, was added. As of now, this is against the unknown persons, but they have collected these footages from the Red Fort, and they will identify the persons, and soon they will be called to join the investigation. Back to you.
All right, so additional troops that have also been deployed across the national capital. What we're getting to know that more than 800... many of them people who have been, 300 of them, I beg your pardon, who have received injuries. As far as the current status is concerned of the violence against the Delhi police that was also witnessed on Delhi streets. But what we are getting to know as far as the Red Fort complex is concerned, and how you have another flag that was unfurled just right below where the Red Fort tricolor has been unfurled. We're looking at action now being taken by the Delhi police, even as several meetings that are taken up by the Delhi Police Commissioner along with the special CPs in the case to look into the matter, as more than 20 FIRs that have been registered in the case till now. But we are also looking at how action has also been stepped up for dacoity, the case that has been registered to a special cell that will now be investigating the case, what happened at the Red Fort complex yesterday. But in related news that we are getting to know, because in an undated video of a farmer leader, Gurnam Singh Chaduni, he's been heard appealing to the farmers to be fully prepared for the 26th of January tractor rally. He then goes on to direct the farmers to break barricades and declare 26th of January as the final match. Let's listen in.
खाली तारीख देने के लिए मीटिंग बुलाते हैं, तारीख दे दी है, और ये भी कहा है कि 7 आदमी हैं, 7 जाएंगे कि सारे जाएंगे, ये तो हम फैसला करके बताएंगे, जाएंगे या नहीं भी जाएंगे, यही फैसला करके बताएंगे। लेकिन मोटा मोटी बात ये है कि सरकार कुछ मानने को तैयार नहीं है, और सरकार जिद पे अड़गी, और 26 तारीख जो है, हमने भी दूसरी तरफ 26 तारीख की बिल्कुल सरकार को चेतावनी दे रहे हैं, और पूरे किसानों से कह रहे हैं कि 26 तारीख को अपनी तैयारी करके ट्रैक्टरों के साथ आ जाएं, जबरदस्ती इनके बैरिकेड तोड़ के दिल्ली में घुसेंगे, और सरकार लाठी मारे, गोली मारे, जो करना है इनको करें, लेकिन 26 तारीख को जो है वो एक तरह से फाइनल मैच होगा, और उस दिन जो भी होगा वो सरकार की जिम्मेवारी होगी।
Well, it was already the occasion of Republic Day, where the entire national capital was fortified. But even after yesterday's chaos and violence that was witnessed on the streets of Delhi, Delhi police is now also deployed extra forces when it comes to paramilitary troops that have heightened security across the national capital. There is a ring of security across the sensitive areas, particularly across the Red Fort complex that was breached yesterday. Even as the investigation that are being carried out, nearly 22 FIRs that have been registered by the Delhi police so far, with over 300 police personnel that we are getting to know till now have been injured in yesterday's clashes. But what we are getting to know of the representatives from the farmer unions, they are still maintaining distance over yesterday's clashes, rather have now indulged in a blame game.